Right, this is scallops in the shell with ginger, soy, sesame and spring onions and a tiny bit of chilli. First of all, I just want to quickly tell you about these scallops, which you can buy online. I'm not sure that supermarkets sell them yet, but what I really like about these is they're all still stuck to the shell. And I just think that serving up scallops in their own shell is the way forward. They just look so much better than out of the shell. So I'm just going to grill these scallops, just put a tiny bit of just ordinary sunflower oil in them, just in case they dry out a little bit. And with the scallops, I'm going to add some ginger. So I'm going to grill them with some ginger. An easy way of peeling ginger, which you probably know about, which I didn't up till about 2 months ago. The easy way of getting the peel off the ginger is just to use a teaspoon like that. Here we go, a couple of slices. And when you're slicing anything, just cut a bit off one edge, one side to steady it, and then just cut the slices. Let's go for 3, like that. See, I'm cutting into sort of fine matchsticks here. And then I just take the matchsticks, turn them the other way, and cut those little matchsticks into a fine dice, or brunoise. Then sprinkle those on the scallops, comme ça. And what I'm going to do now is just put the scallops under the grill. And I'm not going to cook them through, I'm just going to, what I would call is set them. In other words, just give them enough heat so that they're just lightly heated right the way through. But scallops, you don't need to worry about serving them undercooked. Indeed, they're better served undercooked. Actually, I'm going to get ahead of myself and just chop the other ingredients because these scallops will take very little time. So first of all, some coriander. Just going to roughly chop that. That's to sprinkle on after I've grilled the scallops. Don't need to have this coriander particularly finely chopped. And now I'm just going to also do the same thing with a couple of spring onions. Just thinly slice them like that. There we go. Try not to cut my fingers off. So, ready to go now in the oven with my scallops under the grill, that is to say. So I'll put them quite close to the top. And I would say I'm going to look after them after a couple of minutes, probably 3 to 4 minutes under the grill. Now, while they're heating up, just warming up a little bit of soy sauce. This is Japanese Kikkoman soy sauce, which is my favourite soy actually. And about a teaspoon or so of roasted sesame oil. I'm just warming that through, no more than that, so I can turn that off. Ready to go with that, except of course I forgot the chili. Always forget something. Just a little sprinkling of chili flakes. Wasn't in the original recipe when I wrote it about 20 years ago, but these days I like a bit of heat in my food. So, next thing, check the scallops. And that's about 3 minutes. How do I know they're ready? Well, I'll just drop them down on the deck and point this out to you. They may not look different to you, but in fact, you can see the sort of liquid is coming out of them now, so that means the heat has penetrated. And you can see they are cooked a little bit. I do find scallops really versatile. I mean, everybody loves scallops. When people say they don't like seafood, what does it mean is they find fish a bit bland, but I can't believe anybody wouldn't like the taste of scallops. So, now to finish the dish, just going to add these fresh ingredients in there because there's quite a lot going in there and I just don't want it to be dead cold when I put everything in the scallops. Now, what could be simpler than that? I mean, and I really like this dish. I mean, of course, you've probably gathered by now it's Chinese, but this is why I love Chinese seafood cooking, because it's just very, very simple, and it does allow the sort of fresh flavours of something like a perfectly fresh scallop to come through. And I don't know about you, but I just love those sort of soy, ginger, spring onion combination with seafood. So there we have what would be in a Chinese restaurant like the Golden Century in downtown Sydney. That would be a first course, and honestly, I love it.